Hello friends, today we are going to be learning to add between the numbers 1 and 10. So first, I think we should go ahead and review our numbers 1 through 10. I have a number line here on the screen for us, and I'm going to point to each number and say its name. I would like you to follow along with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great review. All right, so we're going to talk about what is adding. What in the world is that? So adding is when we have two sets of objects and we put them together and see how many we have all together. So over here, I have two yellow stars. So I can count 1, 2. So I have two yellow stars. And over here I have a red star, but I only have one. So I have one red star. So if I wanted to add them together and see how many red and yellow stars I had, I would have to count them all together. So we're not counting just the yellow or just the red, we're counting them all together. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. So we know that we have 3 stars all together. So that's all adding is we're taking two groups and we're putting them together and combining them to see how many we have all together. All right, let's try it here. So we have a group of green circles over here. We have a group of blue circles over here. So let's count up our green ones. We have 1, 2, 3 green circles. And let's look at our blue circles. We have 1, 2 blue circles. So remember, when we're adding, we're combining all of the circles together. We're not counting just the green or just the blue. We want to count all of them together. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 circles all together. Adding can also use numbers and not just pictures. So here we have a 2, and then we have a plus, and that means we're adding. This is an addition sign. And then we have another 2 here, and then we have an equal sign. So we know what 2 plus 2 equals, and then we will write our number on this line. So if we have a 2 and a 2, what is one way that we could do this? Well, one way is we could go up to our number line and we could find the number 2. And we know that we're adding on 2 more. So we could hop 2 numbers on our number line. So if we start at the 2, then we go 1, 2, the number we ended up on is a 4. So we know that our answer here is a 4. Okay. Now, I want you to go ahead and practice on your own. So I would like you to get a piece of paper and something to write with, and I want you to count up all the circles and see how many circles here are total. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time to go ahead and do that. Okay, friend, let's walk through this together. So we have some green circles and some blue circles like before. So let's go ahead and count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green circles. We have 1, 2, 3 blue circles. Now let's count them all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know that we have 7 circles all together. All right, let's try one more. So on this one, we're going to use the numbers instead of pictures. So remember what I told you about using the number line to help you. So go ahead and use your piece of paper and your pencil, and I would like you to complete this problem, and I'm going to give you a little bit of time to do that. Okay, friends, so we have a 5. We have a plus sign, so we know we're adding. We have a 2, and we have our equal sign. So if we go up here on a number line, this is our 5, and if we know we're adding 2, we'll jump 2 numbers. So 1, 2, and this is the number 7. So we know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good job, friend, and thank you for joining me for learning to add.